Hey, oh, what's freaking poppin'? Car's broke. My car decided to start leaking coolant last night, which is very shitty because I was supposed to go racing this morning and then it started leaking coolant. So guess what we're doing instead of at the racetrack? Fixing this shit box. So we're gonna drain all the coolant out of it so I can take the hose off, because I think it's the supply hose coming from the expansion tank or the coolant reservoir up top. I think that's what it is, because it's very wet on the bottom of that particular hose. So I think we're gonna start there and see what the hose looks like. After I take it off, face full of coolant, dude. That's what we love to see.
Yeah, I bet you like that.
Ah, dude, it tastes great. And the wind is making it so much better. Oh.
That's fine. That's what I'm saying, is that it was tight.
It's not the hose, because the hose looks fine. So what I think the problem here is, I think we're taking off the water pump. So that's fine. We came to the conclusion that the water pump is bad, so we just got the AutoZone, got a water pump, got a thermostat, and we're gonna go change it hopefully before it gets dark, because I need to drive to Michelle's house tonight. So yeah, dude, I love cars. Just kidding, I hate cars. All right, got the new water pump on, got all the lines hooked up, got it filled with freaking coolant, and hopefully we don't die. Or my car doesn't break, because I would be very sad.
Just because it's wet.
Stand by. Well, we are trying.
Feel the heat.
We were trying to put the belt back on. I don't know what I said, hey, the pulley tensioner looks a little too loose. I think something's wrong. Nah, dude, start it.
Sex.
Here we are, messing with the belt now. It's a family-friendly channel.
I got it, boy.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Well,
Get in there. Get in there. Not very family friendly. It's close.
got it, dude. All right. That looks better. All right. Now start it.
There's a phone inside the...
Oh, yeah, Bob's phone. And a flathead.
You don't need
Just
that.
tool accountability. Start it. What are you thinking? What is that?
No, you look all good.
Why is it smoking?
John! The first time we started it, the belt wasn't spinning on that side and you didn't say anything. And this time it started smoking on the fucking alternator and you didn't say anything again.
I didn't see it smoke.
My poor serpentine belt, it is going through the ringer right now. Alright, we got freaking Bob and John, dude. We got a new water pump and the old girl, dude. And that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, I'll freaking see you later.